remember. Especially a new guy. Oh, God, chew on him. And they're okay. They're still okay. They're not. It's still in fun. I watch very closely, but even if two of them get on, as long as the one that's underneath is not bothered at all by it. Huh? Yeah, he says, wow, wow. No knocking Shirley over.
Oh.
He's a new ferret.
Yeah.
He says,
You're so.
Easy.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
that is so cute.
Watch the foot placement, please. It's like we worked on ferrets. Oh, she's cute. Or he.
Oh, he said, oh, he's big. I'm just going to go over here. He's big, I like him.
You're popular, Annie.
Yeah.
I should shut it off, but I forget to do that. Get the edge off it. Yeah, hang on tight. When big dogs come around, this is a really good move.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
My
Is
God.
that a new friend? That's Coco. So that bump on his neck, was that?
Yeah,
just
where he
something?
was on the tree, he got stabbed a couple times with like branches.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is his name?
He went on a walkabout